Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're talking paint again because we get asked for paint colors all the time. It's one of our #1 requests. So today we're talking a little more on the trendy side, and I'm gonna show you my firm's 5 favorite Moody paint colors. All right, my #1 favorite Moody paint color is Sherwin-Williams. This is Smoky Blue. I love putting this in an office, in a cocktail rooms are really popular right now, or kind of parlor rooms. This is just a really beautiful, deep, saturated, Moody paint color. It's got a little bit of kind of a charcoal undertone, and so it's not so saturated that it's overwhelming, but this is really one of my all-time favorite Moody paint colors. For my second favorite Moody paint color, and I love a good dark green, this one is Sherwin-Williams Retreat. I have used this in bedrooms where we're really trying to create kind of that dramatic effect. Most recently used this on all the walls, trimmed everything for an intimate dining room. This is a really, really great color, similar to the Smoky Blue in that it has some gray undertones. It's more of a chalky, muted, saturated color so that it's not overwhelming as well. But we use Sherwin-Williams Retreat all the time, one of my favorites. #3 is Sherwin-Williams Blustery Sky. This one is a couple steps down in deep saturation from the Smoky Blue that I showed you on my first favorite. This one is still deep and it's moody, but it's just a little bit lighter, just a little bit more airy, a little more on kind of the fun moody color side. I've used this one in offices as well. I love it when there's not quite as many windows, so it doesn't feel as cave-like because it is just a little bit lighter. #4 is Sherwin-Williams Dovetail. This is a fantastic option for a Moody paint color. It also can read as a neutral, so you look at it and it's like, is it a gray? Is it a brown? And it's both, which is why I love it. So depending on what kind of light that hits it, it really looks different on each wall. So it goes with all different types of furnishings, all different types of moods, styles, tones. So I love using dovetails. We use this one a lot. We'll put it like on a full fireplace facade. I love using it in offices. This is also a really warm, moody color to use in bedrooms as well. #5, and we've used this one so much recently, it's kind of our current favorite. This is Sherwin-Williams Taupe. It's moody, but it's more, again, on the light side, a little more fun. We just recently put this one on the island and base cabinets of the kitchen. They loved the bright white, but they're like, we need a little bit of depth, a little bit of that moody, and so we slapped some Taupe on there. I've used this on ceilings. This is a really beautiful color. If you want a room that is completely enveloped in a color, this is a really great option. What I mean by enveloped is you have the trim, the walls, the ceiling, the door, everything in one monochromatic tone. So Taupe is a really beautiful kind of mid-range taupe that we are absolutely loving right now. All right, you guys, that was my top 5 favorite Moody paint colors. Comment below, do you guys have a favorite Moody paint color that I didn't mention? I also love seeing pictures. You guys can upload some pictures too. Ask us any questions in the comments below. We love to interact and respond to you. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will see you next week.